নমস্কার, আজকে আমি আবার ফিরে এসেছি শান্তিনিকেতন ইনস্টিটিউট অফ পলিটেকনিকের পক্ষ থেকে জিওটেকনিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিংয়ে ইন্ডেক্স প্রপার্টি অফ সয়েলের পার্ট 2 মানে দ্বিতীয় ভাগ নিয়ে। না, আজকে আমরা কি পড়ব? আগের দিন আমরা পড়েছিলাম 3 phase সিস্টেম অফ সয়েল, ডেন্সিটি, ভেরিয়াস টাইপ অফ ডেন্সিটি অফ সয়েল, ইউনিট ওয়েট অ্যান্ড ভেরিয়াস টাইপ অফ ইউনিট ওয়েট অফ সয়েল, স্পেসিফিক গ্র্যাভিটি, ভয়েড ডিউরেশন, পোরোসিটি। আজকে আমরা পড়ব ডিগ্রি অফ স্যাচুরেশন এবং তার আগের জিনিস নিয়ে। Now, what is degree of saturation? Degree of saturation of soil is defined as the ratio of volume of water to the volume of voids. That means the moisture or water present in a void space of a given soil sample, and it is denoted by S, and it is always expressed as percentage. Okay, now then what is the degree of saturation? Degree of saturation is the defined as the ratio of volume of water to the volume of voids of a given soil sample. Means the water present in a void spaces of a given soil sample. It is denoted by capital S and it is expressed as percentage. Now, degree of saturation for fully saturated soil. For fully saturated soil, the total spaces, the total void spaces are completely filled with water. Therefore, volume of void is equal to volume of water. As the total void spaces of a given soil sample are completely filled with water in case of fully saturated soil, therefore total volume of water is equal to volume of void space. Therefore, degree of saturation for fully saturated soil sample 1. How? What is degree of saturation? Degree of saturation means VW by VB. As VW is equal to VB, therefore we can written this VB as VW. Therefore, VW by VW is equal to 1. Therefore, degree of saturation is equal to 1. Now, for fully dry soil, for fully dry soil, the void spaces are completely filled with air, means there is no water content. Therefore, VA is equal to VB and VW is equal to 0. As VW is equal to 0, put the value 0 in this equation, S is equal to then 1. For fully saturated soil, the value of degree of saturation 1, and for fully dry soil the value of degree of saturation is 0. The upper limit of degree of saturation is equal to or more than equal to or less than 1, or lower limit is equal to 0. Lower limit means minimum value is equal to 0, and upper limit less than or equal to 1. Now, same as the upper limit of void ratio. How much? The upper limit, there is no upper limit for void ratio, and lower limit of void ratio is always greater than 0. And for porosity, the upper limit is equal less than or equal to 1, and lower limit greater than 0. Percentage of air void. What is percentage of air voids? Percentage of air void is the presence of air of a given soil sample expressed as percentage. Now, definition. How can we define percentage of air voids? Percentage of air voids is defined as the ratio of volume of air to the total volume of soil sample. Okay? Now, here the volume of air is equal to this, and this is the total volume of soil sample. Then this is the ratio of volume of air to the volume of voids. It is always expressed as percentage and denoted by Na. The next property is air content of soil sample. Now, what is air content? What is air content? Air content is defined as the ratio of volume of air to the volume of voids. That means the presence of air in a void spaces of a given soil sample. It is also expressed as percentage. Now it is denoted by AC. Now for fully saturated soil, the void spaces are completely filled with water. Therefore, volume of void is equal to volume of water. That means there is no air present in void space of soil sample. Therefore, volume of air is equal to 0. As the volume of air is equal to 0, air content is also 0 for fully saturated soil sample. Now, in case of fully dry soil, For fully dry soil, the void spaces are completely filled with air. Therefore, volume of void is equal to volume of air. That means there is no moisture content or water present in a void space of soil sample. Therefore, VW is equal to 0. Therefore, air content for fully dry soil is equal to 1. Here, the value of air content, the lower limit of air content is equal to 0, and upper limit of lower air content is less than or equal to 0. Now, the next property of soil is density index, relative density. Now, what is void ratio? Void ratio means volume of voids to the volume of soil solid. Okay? Now, when we get maximum void ratio, when the soil is in its loosest state, then we get maximum void ratio, that is Emax. And when we get minimum void ratio, that means Emin, when soil is in its densest state, means fully compacted state. And what is E? E means void ratio of soil in natural condition or natural deposit. Okay? Then, what is density index? Density index is defined as the ratio of numerical difference between void ratio of soil in loosest state minus void ratio of soil in natural deposit to the void ratio of soil in loosest state to the void ratio of soil in densest state. That is density index of soil. Now, density index of soil is used for only cohesionless soil. Density index only used for cohesionless soil. Now, if E max is equal to E, then density index is equal to 0. Put the value of E max in E. E max minus E max is equal to 0. Therefore, ID is equal to 0. And if E is equal to E min, then ID is equal to how much? Put the value E in E min. Then E max minus E min divided by E max minus E min is equal to how much? 1. Therefore, value of density index 1 if E is equal to E min. The next topic is relationship between various properties of soil, just like unit weight, density, void ratio, porosity, specific gravity, water content, etc., etc. Now, first, we are establishing relationship between omega, G, E and S. Omega means what? Water content. G means what? Specific gravity of soil. E means what? Void ratio of soil. And S means degree of saturation of soil. From the definition of water content. What is water content? Water content is defined as the ratio of weight of water to the weight of soil solid. Right? Then, what is weight of water? Weight of water means what? As we know, what? Unit weight of water is equal to weight of water to the volume of water. Therefore, weight of water is equal to unit weight of water into volume of water. What is unit weight of soil solids? Weight of soil solids to the volume of soil solids. Then what is weight of soil solids? Unit weight of soil solids into volume of soil solids. Putting this value in weight of water and weight of soil solids. What is weight of water? Weight of water is equal to unit weight of water into volume of water. And what is weight of soil solids? Unit weight of soil solids into volume of soil solids. Next, from the definition of specific gravity. What is specific gravity of soil? It is the ratio between unit weight of soil solids to the unit weight of water. Therefore, unit weight of soil solids is equal to what? Unit weight of soil solids is equal to specific gravity into unit weight of water. Next. From the definition of degree of saturation, that is S. What is degree of saturation? It is the ratio of volume of water to the volume of voids. Next, denote this diagram or graphically represented in terms of void ratio, in terms of E, where total volume of soil solid considering 1, volume of voids is equal to E, volume of air void is equal to EA, and volume of water void is equal to EW. EW, which is also known as water void ratio, and EA is equal to air void ratio. So total volume is equal to 1 plus E. Right? Now, after this equation, put the value, this is equation 1. Putting the value of gamma S in equation number 1. Therefore, omega is equal to gamma W into VW divided by gamma S is equal to what? J into gamma W into Vs. Now, look at here. What is VW from the diagram? From the diagram, what is VW? VW is equal to EW. Therefore, S is equal to, and VV is equal to what? E. Therefore, S is equal to EW by E. Therefore, EW is equal to E into S. Again, here, from the diagram, Vs is equal to what? 1. VW is equal to what? EW. Now putting the value of VW and Vs in this equation, gamma W into EW, G into gamma W, Vs is equal to 1. Gamma W into, what is EW? EW is equal to ES. Then right here, EW is equal to ES by G into gamma W. And omega is equal to what? Cut the gamma W. And omega is equal to ES by G. This is the relationship between water content, void ratio, degree of saturation and specific gravity of soil. Now we are going for next relationship, that is relationship in between gamma, G, E and S. Gamma, G, E and S. Now we are establishing the relationship in between unit weight, specific gravity, void ratio and degree of saturation of soil. Now, what is unit weight of soil? What is unit weight of soil? From the definition of unit weight of soil, from the definition of gamma, what is gamma? Gamma is equal to W by V, means weight of water to its unit volume. Next, what is total weight of soil? The total weight of soil is consisting the weight of water plus weight of soil solid. The weight of water plus weight of soil solid. As we know, the weight of air is negligible. Therefore, weight of water is equal to weight of soil is equal to weight of water plus weight of soil solids divided by V. Again, as we know, what is weight of water? Weight of water is equal to unit weight of water into volume of water. And what is weight of soil solids? Unit weight of soil solids into volume of soil solids by V. Right? Next, from the definition of specific gravity, What is specific gravity of soil? Specific gravity of soil is the ratio of unit weight of soil solid to the unit weight of water of same volume. Therefore, unit weight of soil solid is equal to specific gravity into unit weight of water. Now, from the definition of degree of saturation, what is degree of saturation? Volume of voids to the volume of water to the volume of voids of a soil sample. Now, from the diagram, again from the diagram, what we get? We get VW is equal to what? EW. And VV is equal to what? VB is equal to E. Putting the value of VW and VB in this equation, we get S is equal to EW by E, and EW is equal, therefore EW is equal to E into S. We are getting EW is equal to S, gamma is equal to J into gamma W. Again from the diagram. What we get? We get VW is equal to EW, Vs is equal to 1, and V is equal to 1 plus E. Now, VW is equal to what? EW. Well, the value, put the value of VW in this equation. That is EW. What is gamma S? Gamma S is equal to G into gamma W. What is Vs? Vs is equal to 1 divided what is V? 1 plus E. Next, what is EW? EW is equal to ES. Putting the value of EW, that is ES, in this equation, plus G into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. Taking common gamma W from the upper side, gamma W is equal to then ES plus G by 1 plus E. This is the relationship in between gamma, G, E and S. Right? Maybe this term we can written as gamma bulk in place of gamma. The relation are same for gamma and gamma bulk. Now, next topic is establishing the relationship in between gamma D, G, E. The next topic is relationship in between gamma D, that is dry unit weight, specific gravity and void ratio of soil. Same as here, from the definition of dry unit weight. What is dry unit weight? Weight of dry soil mass to its unit volume. Now, what is weight of dry soil mass? Weight of dry soil mass is equal to volume of soil solids to the unit weight of soil solids. Next, from the definition of specific gravity. What is specific gravity? It is the ratio of unit weight of soil solids to the unit weight of water. Therefore, unit weight of soil solid is equal to specific gravity into unit weight of water. Now, putting the value of gamma s in this equation. Now, gamma d is equal to what? Vs into gamma s by V. Now, Vs into gamma s is equal to G into gamma W by V. Again from the diagram, what we get? From diagram we get Vs is equal to how what? Vs is equal to 1. V is equal to what? V is equal to 1 plus E. Putting the value of Vs and V in this equation. Vs is equal to 1 into G into gamma W. V is equal to 1 plus E. Therefore, gamma D is equal to G into gamma W by 1 plus E. This is the relationship in between dry unit weight, specific gravity and void ratio of soil. The next relationship is relationship in between gamma sat, that is saturated unit weight, G and E. Now from the definition of gamma sat, from the definition of saturated unit weight of saturated soil mass to its unit volume, that is W sat by V. Now what is W sat? W sat means weight of saturated soil sample. Weight of saturated soil sample is consisting of weight of water plus weight of soil solids by V. Now as you know, weight of water is equal to volume of water into unit weight of water plus weight of soil solid is equal to volume of soil solid into unit weight of soil solids by V. Again, from the definition of specific gravity of soil is the ratio of unit weight of soil to the unit weight of water. Therefore, unit weight of soil solids is equal to specific gravity into unit weight of water. Right? Next, from the diagram. From the diagram we get Vs is equal to what? 1. Vw is equal to what? EW. Next, this is saturated soil sample. Make the diagram correct. This is the diagram for saturated soil sample. The correct diagram is for saturated soil sample, the total void space are filled with water. Therefore, Vv is equal to Vw is equal to E. Right? Now, Vw is equal to then what? E. Or Vw is equal to what? Vw is equal to Vp is equal to E. And what is V? V is equal to 1 plus E. Right? Putting all the value in this equation. Therefore, we can written as gamma set is equal to Vw is equal to what? Vb is equal to E into gamma W plus V is equal to what? 1. Gamma is equal to G into gamma W by V is equal to 1 plus E. Taking common gamma W, E plus G divided by 1 plus E. This is the relationship in between gamma set, G and E. Then gamma set is equal to then what? Gamma set is equal to gamma W E plus G divided by 1 plus E. Next relationship is in between dry unit weight, bulk unit weight and water content of soil sample. No. From the definition of water content, what is water content of soil? Water content of soil is equal to weight of water to the weight of soil solids. Now adding 1 both sides of this equation, make it equation 1. Adding 1 here, then 1 plus omega is equal to what? 1 plus WW by WD. Next, 1 plus omega is equal to what? WD by WD plus WW by WD. Then 1 plus omega is equal to what? Weight WD plus WW is equal to what? Weight of water plus weight of soil sample is equal to what? Total weight of soil sample. Therefore, we can put here total weight of soil in place of weight of soil solids plus weight of water as weight of water plus weight of soil is equal to total weight of water. Next, total weight of soil is equal to what? What is weight of soil? What is total weight of soil sample? Total weight of soil sample is equal to what? Total volume of soil sample into unit weight of soil sample by WD. As we know, W is equal to gamma into V. Next, 1 plus omega is equal to gamma by WD by V. Now, what is WD by V? Weight of dry soil mass to its unit volume is equal to dry unit weight of soil. Now, dry unit weight of soil is equal to then as we know, gamma D is equal to what? W by V. Now, putting the gamma D in place of WD by V. Therefore, gamma D is equal to what? Gamma by 1 plus omega. This is the relationship in between dry unit weight, bulk unit weight and water content of সয়েল স্যাম্পল। আজকের জন্য এতটুকুই। আবার পরবর্তীকালে ফিরে আসবো ইন্ডেক্স প্রপার্টির আরও কিছু রিলেশনশিপ নিয়ে। ঠিক আছে, আজকে এখানে। নমস্কার।